Going on, y'all. Gonna show you how to change the diff fluid in a king quad. They're all pretty much the same. Obviously, that's your rear diff. And then right there is your drain bolt for it. Just gonna drain all that, take the cap out, check for metal shavings. And then on a king quad, the brakes are inside, so you gotta get wet brake oil. Gotta get that, and then using 80W90 for the front end, for the front diff. I think I got water in my diff the other night. My vent hose appears to be coming off just a little, but that one, drain it right here. You're gonna drain it, but to fill it up, you gotta take that off and get a hose and kind of soften it in there. Hopefully everything's all good. My axles seem to be good. I'm gonna take the front end off, the front tires for the front end, but I got a little bit thicker vent line hosing for my diffs because they seem to be a little bit bigger, but we're gonna check and see and go from there. Now we're gonna drain the rear diff. I got that cap on the top open for airflow. It's pretty dark. I don't have really any metal shavings whatsoever. Don't smell bad. But usually, these are magnets and that will have metal shavings, but make sure you always clean this off really good and clean up under there, let it drain. I don't look like I have any metal shavings. Just a little. That's okay, as long as it's not huge chunks. Now take your wet brake fluid and just fill it all the way up to the top. Make sure you completely top it off. I can touch my finger in it. It's topped off. Make sure everything is cleaned off. Extremely, extremely good. Put that on there. Make sure you don't cross thread it. Give it a finger snug and take a pair of pliers and just get it a little torque. That should be. And now, there's your front diff right there, and that's where you're gonna add it. I'm gonna leave that like that. Hopefully there's not a bunch of water. So screw that. Yeah, that does not look good. That has water all in it. See if we get any metal shavings. And it appears, that kind of it'll focus. Appears we do, kind of see them on the side. Got a little bit. Well, I'm gonna clean that off and completely drain all that watery front diff out. And then I'm gonna show you how to do the hose and add it the other way into it through there. But you should definitely do this a lot more often than you think. And that's where people mess up. They don't do it very much and it gets super worn out. And it kills your axles and all your seals and everything. But I just got water in mine through there, right there. It's too small of a hose. And that right there is what I was talking about, metal shavings. You can see them.
Yeah.
It's a little gunky.
It's like a screen.
It looks like it's liquid because they've been shaved down that much. There's a magnet in there for that reason. Video.
Yep.
And boom. There is the piece right there that you take out, and then you just put your vent line hose in there and squirt fluid into it. I'll make sure I clean this off really good and flush all of this out. Since I know I had water in it, I'm gonna clean it really, really good. And there's nothing. I just stuck that vent line off in there, and you're gonna really don't want to get in your mouth. stick that bad boy off in there. And then it should. Poured all my front diff fluid into here. This was completely empty. And I just took that nipple, squeezed it, and took that vent line, put it in there, filled it up till it started completely running out. And then I retightened it. Make sure it's not dripping no oil down here. And make sure it's not leaking none, and do the same for the back. And that's it. There's a couple pieces of mud, but you can see this gray in here. That is water mixed with my, yeah, it is a little green to be honest, but you can see that there's definitely been water in that. So that's why you change it.